Okay, so I wasn't going to make another video about the solar tracker, but then this happened and my wind sensor seems to have started to come apart. So you can see there's two blades of it just snapped right off right there. And it still kind of spins, but you know, this plastic seems to be getting brittle and it looks like it's going to completely come apart. So I got to do something about that. And so what I did is I printed uh, this 3D part, and you can see it's a little rough, but it's the three cup design. I'm not exactly sure what this is called, but the surface is fairly rough from the 3D printing, so I think it'll adhere pretty well with a little bit of two-part epoxy to the top of the original sensor. So here we are with the original sensor and the new part JB welded to the top of it, and it's all cured up now, and it's stable, so it should be able to withstand the wind, hopefully. And we're going to take it up on the roof and install it, and hopefully everything works. All right, so newly repaired and hopefully functional. Let's see. Hmm. Nope. Okay, another try here. There she goes. So it works. Just had to give it a little harder flick, I guess. So just have to now wait for some wind to come up to see how it works when the wind's actually blowing.